Guys, in today's video, we're going to be learning why sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Well, first, let's get a drawing area real quick. So, imagine we have a triangle here, okay? Call this a right triangle, and this is angle x. According to SOHCAHTOA, it's so meaning opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite, we'll call that this side, which we'll call it A, over hypotenuse, which we'll call C. And we can call this side over B, okay? So sine squared x would be A over C, but because it's sine squared, right? So then we can expand that to get A squared over C squared. So that is sine squared of x. Now we need cosine squared of x, right? Cosine, according to SOHCAHTOA, is meaning adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent to angle x is side B, so B, and then the hypotenuse is just C, so B over C is the cosine. But again, we have to square that, so B squared over C squared, right? Now, all we have to do is add these, because we have the sine squared and we have the cosine squared. So notice they have a common denominator of C squared, so we have A squared plus B squared over C squared. But according to Pythagorean theorem states that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So if we substitute in A squared plus B squared, or A squared plus B squared into the C squared spot, then we get here C squared. And then we get C squared over C squared. And everybody knows that anything over itself except 0 equals 1. So because we have C squared over C squared, that equals 1. Let's go, I'm done.